I'm John, your YouTube English teacher. In this lesson, we're going to learn 10 phrasal verbs for cooking. More phrasal verbs are in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more phrasal verb help. Number 1. Whip up. Some friends just told me they're coming over right now. What's the plan for food? I'm thinking of whipping up a quick pasta dish. Good idea. That's a quick and delicious meal. I can whip up a meal quickly for unexpected guests. To quickly make a meal. She can whip up a delicious cake with just a few ingredients. He whipped up a healthy salad for lunch. Whenever there's little time, I whip up some pasta. Number 2, simmer down. The sauce is exploding on the stove. Just lower the heat. Good idea. We can't let it burn. Once it simmers down, it will be perfect. Let the sauce simmer down for a while. To lower the level of heat. The soup should simmer down a bit before you try it. After 15 minutes, simmer down the flame and let it sit for 30 minutes. The chef let the gravy simmer down before serving. Number 3, measure out. Are you following a recipe? Yeah, I always forget exactly how many ingredients I need. I understand. You want to get it perfect. I have to measure out all of the ingredients accurately for maximum results. Measure out the ingredients accurately for the cake. To determine the exact amount of something. He measured out a cup of flour for the bread. Carefully measure out the spices to balance the flavors. She measured out 2 tablespoons of oil for the dressing. Number 4, cut back on. I'm trying to eat healthier these days. I can see. You made a salad for dinner. It's unusual for you. I'm cutting back on calories. You should cut back on all that dressing, too. I'm cutting back on unhealthy ingredients. To reduce the amount of something. Cut back on salt to improve your diet. He was advised to cut back on caffeine. We cut back on red meat in our meals. Number 5, chop up. Can I help you with the salad? Sure, you can handle the vegetables. Should I wash them? No, I already did that. Just chop them up into small bits. Let's chop up the vegetables for the salad. To cut something into pieces. She chopped up carrots for the soup. Chop up some herbs to garnish the dish. I chopped up an apple for the fruit salad. Number 6. Stir in. This soup is bland. It needs more flavor. Did you add any herbs or spices? Not too many, just a few. Try stirring in a few more. That should do the trick. Stir in some spices to add flavor. To mix and combine ingredients in a mixture. He got his coffee and stirred in some sugar. Stir in the flour slowly to avoid lumps. She stirred vanilla extract into the cake batter. Number 7. Pour out. I think I ruined the sauce. Let me taste it. Oh, that's terrible. Sorry. Can we save it? Honestly, I don't think so. Pour it out into the sink and let's start over. Pour out the sauce. Let's try to make it again. To discard a liquid from a container. The milk expired, so she poured it out. He poured out all of the soup that he couldn't finish. That water smells funny. Pour it out and let's get purified water. Number 8. Fry up. What's for breakfast? I don't know. What are you in the mood for? How about some eggs and bacon? All right, I'll fry some up right away. Let's fry up some eggs for breakfast. To cook food in hot oil or fat. On Sundays, we like to fry up pancakes. She fried up some chicken for dinner. For a quick meal, he usually fries up some vegetables. Number 9. Wash off. These vegetables are fresh from the market. They look great, but wow, they're dirty. It's not a problem. We can wash the dirt off. Make sure to wash them thoroughly. Make sure to wash off the vegetables well. To clean something by washing. Wash the dirt off your shoes before entering. Always wash the dirt off of fruits before eating them. She washed the paint off of her hands. Number 10. Toss together. Wow, beautiful salad. Are you finished making it? Almost. All of the ingredients are in it. You can give it to me, and I'll toss them together for you. Sounds great. I'll get some bowls and forks. Toss the ingredients together and let's eat. To mix ingredients. Toss together lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers for a fresh salad. She quickly tossed together a fruit salad for dessert. For the picnic, we tossed together a pasta salad. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Find the correct verb to describe the situations. Thanks for watching, and thank you, channel supporters. If you have a question, leave it in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next lesson.